Hello, I'm not going to keep you long today, just going to do a bit of fried chicken. So I've got some chicken breast there, and you've got a hammer, and you can see that I've hammered that one out. I'm going to do the same to those, just gently thinning it out. I'm going to get some seasoning on that. A little bit of salt. I'm going to do the same on both sides. Black pepper. I've got a little bit of sweet paprika. And I've got some Italian seasoning. You know, it's like a kind of basil, oregano, thyme sort of mix, you know. I mean, you can muck about with this and change this as much as you want. Now, when it's on, I also give it a little beat. Let's get it in there. So I'm going to do the same on both sides, and I'm going to complete those other two there. Simple, simple. Okay, so done those, all three. Now just to talk about my hammer. I've got one of these hammers. It's like that on that end and like that on the other end. So you start off with that. You can go that way if you want. Get them as thick or as thin as you want. Now, if you want, you can use a rolling pin or something like that. If you don't have one of these hammers, bang it out. Really simple. Right, next up, we're just going to get some flour. And we're just going to get just a little bit on there. You don't have to go crazy. This is just a regular plain wheat flour. I'm just going to do the other sides. Then we're off to the cooker. Very light, Dustin. Don't go crazy with it. It doesn't need too much on it. Beautiful. Frying pan or skillet, whatever you call that. I've got some oil in there. I'm using the corn oil. It's about 2 tablespoons, not loads. Simply just grab the chicken. We're going to drop them in. Medium heat. They're fairly thin. They're going to cook nice and quickly. I'm going to flip them 3 or 4 times. It's going to be about 8 minutes in total, maybe a little bit less. Okay, beautiful. That's done nicely. You can see we've got a nice crust on there. Now, if you want, take that out, slice it up, put it in a sandwich, use it in a salad. It's really versatile. I'm going to go one step more, and I'm going to add in a little bit of garlic here, chopped garlic, a couple of teaspoons only, a couple of pieces of butter. 2 minutes, let it do its thing in there. That's fabulous. Off goes the heat. Lemon juice, a couple of tablespoons. Job done. Really simple, really beautiful. And there you have it. Really, really easy that is, isn't it? Delightful. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.